Welcome everyone on today's Metal3 Community meeting. My name is Adam Rosman and I will be your host today. Today is the 31st of May 2023, and please note that the meeting is recorded and it will be uploaded to YouTube, to our channel. And let's see, I see that we have at least one new participant. Mina, if you feel like you can introduce yourself. But it's not mandatory.
It's okay. I just took a bite out of my sandwich, but hello, I'm Mina. I've joined the ESD Metal3 team recently as a new participant. Yeah, happy to be here.
Yep, thanks and welcome. And after introductions, we have a few reminders. So usual reminders, if you feel like your project would benefit from joining the project as an adopter, you can create a PR, modify the adopters.md file in the Metal3 docs, and add your organization. That would help the project track the actual adopters. It would help us. And then the next one is the incubation proposal. I had no time to turn the MD file into a Google Doc, maybe next week, I hope. And then the next one is that if you are interested, you can always check the team meetup notes. And then another reminder is that the pull request for the new API version of the bare metal host is still up. I see that there is a good discussion going on back and forth. So please, everyone, feel free to join the discussion and help Dimitri merge this PR. And then the next one is from Ricardo. I've seen that this is a new thing, I guess.
Yeah. So this is actually not from me. It's from our intern, Stalima. I'm not sure if she will join today, but I just wanted to bring up that. And well, unfortunately, I don't have enough rights there, so I was not able to to do any kind of voting. So thank you.
Yep, thanks. Good fix. And then we have no updates from the working groups. And I don't see need. Oh, Mohammed, you are here. Do you want to, or do you have some updates related to the ironic scaling working group?
Yes, I have got some reviews that I was addressing, and I have just tested the changes with Huey today. It seems working as expected. I'm waiting for reviewers check that again, and hopefully we'll push that to get merged soon in Sushi Tools.
Nice. In short, can you please get us updated now on that? Where are you with the scaling? I hear things about that, and I hear you discussing this during the day, but I'm not really up to date on that. Just for the recording, can you mention that what was achieved so far? Because this is the first working group update, and I want to start this process to make it more visible to the community. Thanks.
Yeah, so what we have done so far is to fake the ironic agent API using an API inside Sushi Tools that would imitate booting nodes and sending some fake inspection data, and also doing hard beating. We have done that on the Sushi Tools on top of the fake system that was already there, basically just faking nodes, and where Ironic can turn them on and off and basically manage fake nodes there. And with this fake IPA, we're trying to test Ironic with around like 1,000 nodes. That's what has been achieved so far using some, let's say, parameters. I think in the Ironic workers basically, and also changing the way that Ironic communicate with the agents. There were like some overload when connections get over 100 open connection. I guess we did some changes there to close the connection after the request done. And yeah, the scaling part is done separately from the fake IPA. We have some can say downstream scripts that will create this huge number of nodes in Ironic and try to do inspection on that. So yeah, the current status is that we have an open patch set on Sushi Tools repository waiting for review, and hopefully will get merged, and some downstream scripts that are testing Ironic with scaled number of nodes.
Nice, thank you. Can you put here the links for everything that basically you have done so far? So the pet set in the Gerrit and other stuff that you think could be interesting. Could you do that, please?
Yeah, sure. I'll put those links there.
Yeah, thanks. Okay, I don't think we have. At least I don't know about any other groups, and yeah, thanks everyone who is participating in this. Dimitri, Hui, Mohammed, I think the three of you are the most active on this. And we have now the discussion topics, and I see one discussion topics, and I might mention something else, but let's see that. So this is from Ricardo.
Yeah, this is actually from last week, I think, or the week before. Anyway, I just put together a PR to show the switch between RPM and source-based containers by default, of course. This is how it looks. The CI is passing. So just wanted to inform you that I'm basically going to refine the PR. There's like nothing. I don't think there's much more left to do there, and remove the whip. So to propose officially the switch. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Let me just check something. What that was. Something I vaguely remember that there was a test specifically for the Ironic image that works on PRs.
Yeah, there's a there's a job inside that was built for testing the container like built with source code directly. But in this case, it's going to be like from source by default.
Oh yeah, by default from source.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Then no need to run that. The setting is that these, or wait, yeah, okay, yeah. These integration tests are not E2Es, right? Yeah, these are just regular ones. Yeah, so this should build it locally if we have not messed up anything. And there is, yeah, this separate one, and I have a third job that will test it eventually, or at least should test this. But that might be also using source by default. Yeah, it's for me, it's fine. I don't think I have any rights here, but just putting my LGTM there. If any of you have some rights here, please feel free to review. Oh, I had LGTM rights, cool. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
It's marked as work in progress, right? So when
yes,
do you expect it to be fully?
So it's marked on work in progress because I'm planning on some more steps after that. Like for example, pinning ironing to specific versions and other libraries as well. I think I'm happy so far with what we have now, since we don't have a strategy for branch cutting yet or stuff like that, which will be like the two things are kind of related. But yeah, this is going to be the first step, and then next will be pinning and like some other changes.
Okay, well, I can remove the whip right now if you feel that you are fine with this. I mean, it passed the tests, so it should pass.
Yeah, I think I should be okay. Thank you.
Yep, thank you. And is there any other discussion topics? Or are there any discussion topics? If not, then I just wanted to mention that work is ongoing related to multiple CI feature test issues since last week. So here I actually started to rework quite a lot of things in this 1 week. So the way we use keep alive D has changed. And that's basically that in the past we used an external daemon in the tests to run keep alive to basically restart keep alive D if it was unable to see the KTS API, or if or if it was unable to start. And then we now changed this whole process from an external daemon into a VRRP script. So this is one big change. There are some changes related to CentOS, Cryo, CNI usage. Basically, we removed the default CNI from CentOS. That's the reason for that. It was conflicting with Calico. I'm just explaining why you have seen a lot of issues related to the CI. And then we also reintegrated the IPM into our tests. We were actually for a long time not testing with IPM in most of the tests. And then what else changed in the CI? Oh yeah, there was a fix, and there Ricardo helped a lot with these IP tables, I believe, in dev.
Yeah, that was the issue that we noticed on the Ironic upstream CI.
Yep, that was another CI thing that we that fixed, and then that is ongoing work for ongoing work to make the node reuse tests more robust, and this is just a bit of Go coding that's going on now. We have more or less figured out what's the problem. And yeah, I probably have forgot a few things, but these are the key takeaways, I believe. Yeah, and a few kubeadm scripts have been also changed. But I haven't seen any reports from the community related to this this week. I hope none of you are experiencing some unknown issues with your peers. The integration tests should succeed. These are mostly related to the feature tests, the problems that we still have at the moment. Yeah, I guess that's all, other than a few minor things that I implemented. Okay, is there any question or suggestion, problem, request, anything that we could address right now, or just talk about it? Okay, if nothing, then thank you for your time, and we will meet next week the same time, and have a nice rest of the day.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Thanks, bye.
Bye.